How's it going? Hope you're keeping well. In this quick video, I want to give you a complete behind the scenes look into the Train Like a Warrior online workout studio. If you know me, I like to be as upfront and clear within my business and within the Train Like a Warrior studio as possible, because I truly believe on how effective this is. I have hundreds of members around the world who all rate the studio 5 stars and literally are performing these workouts on a daily basis with me, and it has now changed their life and is a part of their lifestyle. So I want to give you a behind the scenes look so you are completely familiar with what is to come whenever you join the platform, whenever you become a Train Like a Warrior member. So whenever you join the squad, this will be your homepage. This is your full catalog where everything will be: your workouts, your nutrition, exercise demos, community, calorie calculator, and so much more. So as you can see here, this is my continue watching section. So maybe these are sessions that I clicked into and then out of, and if I want to go back and perform them, that will be this here. Then you have your favorites. Okay, this is where you add your favorite sessions, and it will come up at the top of your studio, so you can always go back on and perform them whenever suits your schedule. Then after that, I will always have our latest challenge at the top of the studio, so you can just click into it anytime that suits you. So whether you join the studio at any time, you can go back onto any of the past challenges, okay, and start off from day one and work your way through here. I have everything categorized from day 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see, and you just follow through the program from there. All the workouts are performed in real time. Okay, so it's you and I working out alongside each other, and you can perform them any time of the day that suits your schedule. Okay, which is absolutely incredible. There's nothing out there like this, and this is why I really want to showcase the true power of it. I also have your complete start here section, so it showcases how to use the studio, how to put the platform on your home screen of your iPad, your phone, whatever you're using. I have an exclusive Facebook group for all the members. Even if you're not big on Facebook, you can just create a private account, join it, and I will be able to put updates within that there. Then I have the complete nutrition section, guides on how to showcase simple meal plans, recipe books, and so much more, high protein guides, shopping lists, and I do a lot of educational content within the platform also, and I'm going to be building upon this more and more. So how to get results with progressive overload, how to lose unwanted body fat, gain muscle, how to get more results, how to lose stubborn body fat. So much within this platform. It isn't just workouts, there is so much more. There's education, there's nutrition, there's community. Then I have a complete transformation challenge section, so if you want to go in to any of the programs here that we have, you can just click into it, and then I have the full layout broke down. Okay, so as you can see here, this is week 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can just follow along with the sessions from there. I have a complete warm-up, cool-downs and stretches, and then this is one of the coolest parts within the studio. I have sectioned off everything, so you have full body strength workouts, upper body, lower body, all depending on your goals, high intensity, push workouts, kettlebell sessions, everything, core, you name it. Also, you can go into your filter section, okay, so you can actually pick what you want to do. So let's just look at this. For example, you want to do one of my workouts, okay, you want a 20 to 30 minute session. The equipment you want to use is dumbbells. You want sort of a strength and conditioning session, and you want to target full body. And there you have it. You can literally go into that much detail to get the workouts that you want to perform anytime that suits your schedule. So alongside all your exclusive workouts, we have literally like over 350 sessions. You have new workouts on the platform every single week, and most importantly, you have challenges where we, the Train Like a Warrior members, are all pushing forward together at the same time. Okay, so that keeps motivation high, and it just adds so much value onto this platform. So this is just a behind the scenes outlook basically into the studio. I also have a complete exercise library and showcase how you can perform exercises. I talk you through different movements, bodyweight workouts, kettlebell, you name it. This is the power of the studio. So even if you're on your travels and you have no equipment at all, you can go into the studio, go into a bodyweight workout, a quick high intensity session. This is literally the power of the platform. So I just wanted to give you that overview within the studio so you know what you're joining, and trust me, it is an absolute game changer, and I can't wait to see you within the platform. Cheers.